73. Yep, it's right here. Now these are made up in Canada, correct? These are Canadian.
Nope, those are made out of Crosby, Minnesota.
Crosby, Minnesota. Oh, he says right there too. Very nice rig. Now this is in pretty good shape.
I did that one up 20 years ago.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm here at Rodden's. I'm here at Rodden's garage. This garage has been open for a long time, and it's because of this fella right here. Yeah, this guy right here. Yeah, this is an awesome. It's like, actually, I really consider this a museum too, pretty much. You know what I mean? Because
That's the old pictures of the garage over there.
let's see, pictures of the original garage. This has always been either a gas station or a car dealership, correct?